Hey, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to do a quick video here. I get a lot of questions, and then also I see a lot of questions on YouTube, Facebook, whatnot. How do I charge my Goggle batteries? So let's say you have a Goggle battery, something like that, or your transmitter battery for your QX7. You can get a barrel end on your QX7 battery pack, so you can charge it. This charger, not the battery pack, that came with my third pair of box goggles. It's an MXK from Banggood. So you can see it's a lithium charger. So there's came in a plastic bag. That was it. So we got some 250 volt adapter. Does not feel of extreme quality, but looks like it'll do the job. Plugs on there, so you can plug that into your wall, or in the US 120 volt. The output DC 8.4 volt 1 amp. So this is going to be a slow going charger, but it doesn't matter to me because I've got a couple of them and I just plug everything in and not worry about it. Input is 100 to 240 volts, 60 or 50 hertz. And the model number to look up the model is 841000. So this is how I charge my stuff. And no, you can't use this for your Fat Shark HDOs with your rapid fire to plug into, because this is only 1 amp. You'll melt it. It has an adapter here, so you have your male, female. It comes with this adapter, so you can plug in your battery. You can't see in the lighting here, but the green light comes on when you plug it in, and once you plug it into the wall, it turns red, solid, and then it turns back green when it's done. Works great, no issues at all. So I'll put a link in the bottom here so you can find it. And that's what I use to charge my Goggle battery, my transmitter battery. There's a couple other things I have with this barrel connector. So have a good day. I appreciate your time.